If you're trying to eat healthy but you don't want to give up tasty food, this is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you not one but two delicious cucumber salad recipe that is perfect for weight loss. The star of the show today is cucumber, if you don't already know that. So these are my cucumbers. I'm going to be making use of two of them. Make use of any species of cucumber that is available wherever you are. And I have washed my cucumbers and I decided to just make this pattern on them to make them look nice and interesting. You do not have to do that. I'm making use of two cucumbers and I've sliced both and I've divided them into half, so the other half is for my other recipe. The first recipe I'll be working on is the spicy Asian cucumber salad, and for this you're going to add some salt into your cucumber, mix it together, and you're going to set it aside. The salt is going to help to extract moisture from the cucumber and it's going to make your cucumber crunchier. Do not worry, the full list of ingredients and measurements are all in the description box as usual, okay? Next, you're going to go ahead to slice your spring onion. Remember, all your ingredients are to be washed, and I have done that off camera because I do not want to bore you with the washing and the non-interesting parts, okay? This recipe requires garlic and I do not like to eat raw garlic, so I went ahead to wrap my garlic in foil paper and I roasted it in the oven, and this is the outcome. I roasted my chilies with it as well just because I can. So what I'm saying is, you do not have to roast your garlic if you don't want to. You just go ahead and use it fresh if you can manage that. Slice everything and just set them aside. Next, you're going to go ahead to prepare your dressing, and these are all the ingredients that you need to mix together to make that delicious dressing. Please make sure to follow the instruction on this one because it will determine how delicious your cucumber salad is. Do not worry, the full list of ingredients and measurements are all in the description box. It is now time to put everything together, so we're going to check on our cucumber. It has released more juice and that is what we want. So you're going to add some water into the cucumber and you're going to rinse it. Make sure to rinse this because otherwise your cucumber salad is going to be salty and you won't be able to eat it, okay? If you're watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate you. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and do all those things that means you're supporting me. Please, I do need all the support I can get from you guys. So now that you've drained your cucumber, you're going to transfer it back into a bowl, and then you're going to be adding the salad dressing. Add your spring onions as well. This is not in any particular order, and just mix everything together. Go ahead and sprinkle some sesame seed on it for extra flavor and texture if you have that. And there you have it, the spicy Asian cucumber salad is ready. You can make this as a side dish or you can have it as a meal on its own depending on what your situation is. Next up is my Nigerian cucumber salad. I came up with this recipe and I've been making it for the past 3 years. Super delicious and quick and easy to make. You're going to be needing some red onions for this. Slice your onion and set it aside. Next, you're going to be adding that onion into your cucumber. This cucumber, we have not added anything into it, okay? You don't need to add salt into this one. So just add your onion and come in with some mayonnaise, and you're going to be coming in with your authentic Nigerian Suya spice, and you're just going to sprinkle that on it and you're going to mix it together. Don't worry, the full list of ingredients and measurements of everything that you need is in the description box. You're going to mix this together and this tastes super delicious as well. It gives you that feeling as if you're eating suya. The spiciness and the creaminess from the mayonnaise makes it a perfect standalone meal if you're trying to lose weight or a side dish. Before I end this video, I would like to recap some other benefits of cucumber. Cucumber is hydration boost. It is about 96% water, so it helps to keep you hydrated. So include cucumber in your diet. Cucumber helps to support your digestion. It is rich in antioxidants. It is good for your skin. It is good for your heart health. It helps you to detox. It helps you to control blood sugar and helps you to strengthen your bones, amongst other things. So if you're looking for a good way or tasty way, delicious way to include cucumber in your diet, here it is. I have given you 2 delicious recipes, easy to make and very quick as well. So there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Which of this recipe is your favorite and which one would you be trying? Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to share, comment, like, do all those nice things that people do on people's video, okay? And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.